satisfying wood carving machines, wood CNC, and lathe machines. If you have no idea how wooden goods are made, you might think that a wood processing machine is a bit boring. Well, you're wrong. Seeing how a lathe works from the companies we bring to you today can be addictive, almost as if we could see Michelangelo or Da Vinci finishing their creations. Because I assure you that these machines are capable of making something as simple as a glass or a cup, but also the leg of a table with an incredible motif that seems to be handmade. Join us until the end of the video and you'll be surprised with us. RAMIK Heads Wood Cutting Machine. You cannot start talking about wood processing without talking about the machine that acts there in the forest where everything begins. And we're not talking about a basic wood harvester, even if the description of the machine itself humbly announces it. It is a powerful cutting device capable of cutting a log, removing its bark, and giving it a very neat finish so that it can be placed in the sawmill, waiting to be used by the most sophisticated projects. The RAMIK Heads is manufactured by the Finnish company RAMIK Oy. It is the most productive on the market. It only takes one man, an excavator, and the RAMIK. That means that up to 10 cubic meters per hectare can be processed. The wood can be made instantly on the truck body. The bent log can be converted to the same size as the firewood, but that log looks so nice that it would be a shame to throw them on the fire. Gone Metal CNC Machine. Imagine having 4 genius artists working on the same work of art at the same time. Not specifically on the same piece, but on several copies of the same incredible sculpture. It is part of what this powerful and sophisticated computer-controlled wood-turning machine can do. It works in series, with its 4 arms in each of the axis movements, and can work with technical drawings and codes that it can replicate, almost without limitations. The main star is a machine that can process wood, plastic, and soft aluminum materials to match diameter and length dimensions. If necessary, additional axis, horizontal and vertical milling, and material loading can be added as required. You may think that the latest technology is 3D printers, but none of them will allow you to place a wooden stick at one end and get a stylish piece of furniture at the output. AKTEC Cutting Router. It's not true that for one of these technological wonders to have incredible performance, it must be a gigantic device. Proof of this is the AKM 2030 model from the Chinese company AKTEC, which is a small and robust but has nothing to envy from other competing equipment. Its frame is made of cast iron, occupies a maximum of 2 by 3 meters, and is water cooled. Its working area covers 2,000 by 3,000 millimeters on a tea table, or it can be ordered optionally with the vacuum. It is an advanced and powerful control system without loss of precision on the cutting and processing of wood pieces and other materials. The Advanced Numerical Control System (DSP) and the large liquid crystal display offer very practical operation and easier maintenance. It also has a special intelligent pre-calculation system that fully develops the engine's potential and leads to high-speed processing of smoother curves and straight lines simultaneously. Its large memory capacity and data transmission can be said to be a little less than perfect. Its 128mm is sufficient to simultaneously store more than 60 freely readable processing files. It has a USB interface, plug and play, to communicate with the computer under the Windows system that can complete the transmission instantly. It is tremendously compatible with a large number of devices. International instructions ensure that it is compatible with CAD/CAM software, such as Type 3 ArtCam, Castmate, Pro, UG, ArtCut, etc. At home and abroad, its design is intelligent and humanized. It can continue engraving when the power is cut or the tool is broken. Intelligent spindle control makes it capable of automatic start and stop, which is safer, more practical, and saves energy. Its diamond drill is very powerful, and the change of frequency access allows the machine to cut up to 30mm to 50mm thick organic glass in one cut, a technological marvel that is also very small for all that it offers. Woodworking Machine CMS ARIES. Its driving consists of something as simple as a robotic arm and a press. You only have to give it play and stay to watch how it works wonders with a simple wooden cube and its objective. Of course, it also depends on instructions given by the computer, which makes this digital craftsman a versatile generator of wonders. But none of this is accidental. CMS manufactures machines and systems to process composite materials, carbon fiber, aluminum, light alloys, plastic, glass, stone, and metal. The company was born in 1969 from an idea of Pietro Asiti, with the aim of offering personalized and avant-garde solutions based on the deep knowledge of the customer's process. CMS is a leader in industries such as aerospace and Formula One. In addition, shipping, racing cars, wind turbine production, engineering industry, spectacles, construction, architecture, interior design, urban furniture, sculpture, and many other sectors benefit from its products. CNC, KWT, in Torex. Can you imagine a machine that processes wood as if it were eating an ear of corn? The working principle of the Interex machines is based on the type of heavy-duty CNC wood-turning machine equipped with two independently controlled cutting gouges, one for roughing and the other for finishing, plus an additional hydraulically controlled gouge for rounding. As standard, the CNC wood-turning machine is equipped with an automatic hopper feeding system. It also has programmable and variable spindle speeds along with two hydraulic rear knife units for operations, such as pins. Optionally, the machine can be equipped with an additional B-axis with a milling head for twisting and or grooving, or a grinding head with a narrow belt for grinding turn and or straight profiles. The user-friendly programming is done through the Interex Interedit software pre-installed in Windows, which is preloaded on the machine. Programming can take place on the machine controller or a remote PC laptop, with a transfer of the programs via a USB key. Thanks to the CNC control and the fast setup of the CNC wood-turning lathe, the CKX is suitable for one-off specials, short batches, and long production runs. It is also possible to achieve excellent quality and definition of the turned component. Brusa di Garboli woodworking machines. These machines are true instantaneous transformation tools, from converting square tie rods into perfect cylinders to making a glass or pot in 15 seconds. There's nothing these machines cannot do. Most of the line is made up of milling and copying machines for turning and milling operations on straight and conical pieces and round, oval, or irregular sections. Most of the units work with two mechanical templates that allow for the production of two different sections on the same article. Cutting heads and special knives are mounted on the machine according to the shape to be obtained on the workpiece. The productivity of the machine can change from 2 to 6 pieces per minute, depending on the length of the shape of the pieces, thanks to their high production rate. These units are particularly suitable for producing handles for agricultural tools, spindles, and stair posts, paint or brush handles, table and chair legs, as well as furniture fittings. Did you know that there were machines capable of treating wood in this way? Which one is your favorite? Please don't go without leaving us what you think in the comments. Subscribe to our channel. We upload material very often. Also, leave us a comment and ring the bell to be informed about every video we upload. See you next time.